enjoy our Oahu, Hawaii New Year's Eve. It's 11:30 in the evening, and this has been going on for about 6 hours now. So this is what we have here. People love to shoot off fireworks all year long, but especially on the holidays. And it's what we have to deal with. It's no big deal for me. I don't mind. There's not much lights in the sky. You might see a couple flashes here and there, but it's mostly just explosions. I don't know, I'm kind of a purist. I like the fireworks where you actually see something in the sky. You see the multicolors and all that when they explode. These are mostly just bombs going off. And it's who can make the bigger bomb louder blast, I guess. Just gonna let the video run for a while so you can hear it. Hear what I hear while I sip my homebrewed beer. It's an IPA that I made using some calamandine juice from my tree. It's a Filipino miniature orange tree. Very tart and citrusy. Helps to make great beer. Great IPA if you like the citrusy type of IPA. I'll be doing 30 days of no alcohol starting tomorrow, just to kind of reset the body a little bit. Not that I really need to, but just reset. Some neighbors are yelling. Sitting here smoking a Rocky Patel while I'm watching and listening to the fireworks go off. So if you don't know, I'm the Hawaii real estate guy. So I've been in Hawaii 2.5 years and retired from Marine Corps, retired from government service, and now been doing real estate a couple months. I really enjoy it. It's definitely a new career. A lot of new skills I have to learn, but I really enjoy helping people buy their dream home. It's a lot of fun and a lot of personal satisfaction for me. I'm helping people. I'm not so worried about a commission or a bottom line. Mostly concerned with how I help people. If what I do helps them or not. That's what I'm most concerned with. And I don't definitely want to do something that doesn't help them. Only been a few months, but I've already met a couple, I hate to say it, but really shitty people. I'm just out to try to rip you off and get the most they can. But I met many nice people. And those are the ones that I want to help and realize their dreams, their real estate dreams and goals, if I can. And we've been making it happen, even during COVID. That's what I'm into. I'm into helping people. So if you're a good person, contact me. If you're interested in real estate and you're a good person, contact me. Don't be an asshole. If you're an asshole, don't contact me. If you're a good, decent person and you're interested in real estate here in Hawaii, contact me. If you're interested in real estate anywhere in the United States, please contact me, because I can refer you to the best agent possible in your local area where you're at. And you know what? It benefits me a little bit. I get a referral. I get a little bit of a referral commission. And I appreciate that. It's not very much, but you know, every little bit helps. And I'm happy to give something back to you too for any referrals that I get from you that pan out. I'm happy to send you a nice little Christmas present. It's definitely worth your while, because you'll be helping your friend, family, colleague, yourself when you refer somebody to me. And you're doing greater good. I will make sure the best job possible is done. How about those fireworks, huh? Those are loud, right? I'd like to say something pithy like, that's all the RE/MAX Aloha Homes clients who just bought a home and they're so excited and they're shooting off fireworks. But that would not quite be true. We do have a lot of very satisfied RE/MAX Aloha Homes customers, but most of them probably aren't out setting off fireworks right now. They're probably all nestled in their brand new beds in their home that they just acquired. But we sell more homes than anybody else. In fact, we sell twice as many homes than anybody else. Look us up, RE/MAX Aloha Homes. We're the bomb. Oh, I'm smoking my cigar right now. And if you're interested, check out our website, right? The HawaiiRealEstateGuy.com and RE/MAXAlohaHomes.com. The HawaiiRealEstateGuy.com is my own personal website, and AlohaHomes.com, RE/MAXAlohaHomes.com is our office website. And you can find me on the office website if you just drill down into the contact me or contact us type area. And you'll see my bio too. Nothing to hide here. I'm new. I'm hungry. I'm a little older than your average agent, but I got a lot of gas in the tank. So look me up, man. Check me out. You got a lot of choices out there. Choose wisely. Pick a real estate agent that you trust. Pick one that you would call uncle. You wouldn't mind inviting to the family barbecue. Right? That's the type of real estate agent I would like to be for you. I'll be like your family friend. And I hope I can help you out in the future. Buy, sell, invest. Give me a call. Mahalo. Thanks for listening. And I wish you a very, 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 very happy 2021. Let's get that vaccine out there. Let's take it. Let's get it up. Let's get this fucking virus over with. Let's move on with our lives, all right? I want to travel again. I'm sure you do too. Hawaii waits. Mahalo and aloha.